Assalamualaikum. Hi, welcome to my channel Well-Wisher. Please click on play button and subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon, like and share. To be covered: origin of statistic, meaning of statistic, definition of statistic, multiple choice questions, reference. Origin of statistic. The word statistic have been derived from the Latin word status or an Italian word statistic or French word statistique, each of which means a political state or a government. Shakespeare's use of word statist is his drama Hamlet 1602. In the past, the statistics was used by ruler. Milton Paradise is used in the sense of person who is well versed in state matters, helping high state officer and government policy. Mr. E. A. W. Zimmerman, a professor of philosophy in 1787, defined the word statistic, a political survey of the present state of Europe, as that branch of political knowledge. During the 18th century, the word statistic became more and more popular and began to be used in the sense of numerical statement relating to the state. During the 19th century, a Belgian statistician at first was very much active in application of statistical methods in the field of education and sociology. Sir Francis is credited with the discovery of percentiles. Carl Pearson worked with Galton to develop the theory of regression and correlation. At the beginning of 20th century, methods were developed by William for decision making based on small data. During the 20th century, several statisticians are active in developing new methods, theories, and application of statistics. The availability of electric computer is certainly a major factor in the modern development of statistics. In the present, science of statistics for the most part is the result of active research by many people in various fields. Today, the research worker considers statistics one of his most useful areas. Meaning of statistic. The word statistic used to express the following three meanings. These are the plural sense, singular sense, and plural of word statistic. The plural sense statistical data. In plural sense, statistic is a systematically collected information in any field of study with specific purpose. For example, statistics on population growth, statistics on industrial production. The singular sense. In singular use, the word statistic denotes a somewhat specialized human activity concerned with the collection, ordering, analysis, and interpretation of such data, and with the general principle involved in his activity. The plural of the word statistic, technical word. The word statistic is used as the plural of the word statistic, technical word which refers to numerical quantities such as mean, median, variance, etc. calculated from sample data. Sample is the representative part of the population. For example, if we select a random 10 students from a class of 15 students, measure their heights and field the average height, this average would be a statistic. Statistic may be variable. Variable is changeable quantity. Definition of statistics. Statistics are numerical statement of facts capable of analysis and interpretation. The science of statistics is study of principle and method applied in collecting, presenting, analyzing, and interpreting the numerical data in any field of inquiry. Characteristics of a statistic in plural sense. Statistics are the numerical statements of aggregate of facts. For example, single height 5.6 inches and 6.0 inches is no statistic, but a series relating to the height of a group of people is called statistics. Number two, affected by multiplicity of causes. Statistics are affected by large number of factors. For example, prices are affected by conditions of demand, supply, money, import, export. Number three, collected in systematic manner. For example, for accuracy and reliability of data, the figures should be collected in systematic manner. Number four, collected for predetermined purpose, already defined purpose. Data should be collected with some predetermined purpose. Figures should be collected with some objective in mind. For example, we want to collect data on prices, then we must be whether we must collect wholesale or retail price. Number five, placed in relation to each other. Collection of data is done with motive to compare. Figure collected should be comparable. For example, it does not make any sense if we compare height of a person and rent he pay for his accommodation. Height and rent are irrelevant variables. Numerical express. Quantitative expression like young, old, good, bad, etc. are not recognized. So a numerical value like 930 female per thousand male in Pakistan and 1170 female per thousand males in USSR. Now we discuss characteristics of statistics in singular sense. The first step is collection of data. It is the first step in statistical inquiry. The technical depends upon the objective of the study. They should be collected carefully so fulfill the basic objective of a post study. Number two, organization of data. After collection, the data are organized in a proper form which involves editing, removing errors. Classification means arranging and tabulation means table rows and columns. Number third is presentation of data. Now the data is presented in suitable manner either by diagram, graph. Diagram means simple diagram, multiple diagram, non-dimensional diagram, graph, line diagram, line, graph, histogram, histogram, OGIF, etc. Analysis of data. Analysis follows the presentation of data. Simple mathematical techniques are applied in analysis. These include center tendency, measure of dispersion, correlation, regression. The main purpose of analysis is to draw some meaningful conclusion. Last one is interpretation. It is the last step in the statistical methodology. To derive the meaning from analyzed data is called interpretation data. It involves statistical thinking, skills and experience. It provides conclusion. Now we discuss multiple choice question according to above discussion. Choose the correct option A, B, C, D. The word status is of Latin, Italian, British. Board word is correct answer Latin. An Italian word known for 2 day statistic was status, statistic and statistica. Correct option is statistica. How many meaning can be given to the word statistic? 1, 2, 3. Correct option is 3. In singular sense, the word statistic described as data, body of knowledge and statistic. Correct option is body. Sample measure is called statistic parameter statistics. Correct option is statistic. Statistics always deal with aggregate facts, individual facts, proof facts. Aggregate of facts statistics always deals. Good knowledge and experience is required to collect the data, analysis data both A B. Two options, two option A and B are good. Statistics are collected in hazard manner, simple manner, systematic manner. Statistics are collected in systematic manner. Option C is the correct option. Which of the following represents data? A single value, only two values, a group of value. A group of value is the correct answer. Statistics deals with quantitative information, qualitative information, both A, B. Statistics deals with only quantitative information because statistics deals numerical data. Statistical results are not absolutely correct, misleading, true on average. Results are true on average. Statistical data are collected for collecting data without any purpose a given person. Option C is the correct option. The statistical laws based on trial and error method is our law of statistical regularity, law of inertia of large number, both law A and B. C option is the correct option. References. These references are used to create these slides and lecture.